Alright, for section 8.1, we're going to separate it into two videos since the second problem is a little bit longer one. For the first one here, we're going to find the midpoint between the points -2, 5 and 4, 1. So first of all, we want to label our points. We have x1 and y1, since it's always x before y, just like the alphabet. And the subscripts of the 1 and the 2 has to do with the first point and the second point. So here for our formula here, we have x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. So you can think of it as doing the average of your x's and your y's to get the midpoint. You can also visualize this on the graph by graphing the point -2, 5 by going over to the left 2 and then up 5. And then you can also go through and plot the point 4, 1 by going over 4 and then up 1 to plot those 2 points. And then if you're visualizing where this midpoint would be, it's going to be in the center of that line segment that connects those 2 points. So that way you can check to make sure your answer makes sense at the end. So here we have a -2 plus 4 over 2 for the x's, comma 5 plus 1 over 2 for the y's. Then we want to use our order of operations here to go through and simplify. So here we do the top first, add those together, we get 2, comma, and then the 5 plus 1, we get 6 over 2. And then simplify the fractions. So here we get 1, 3 for our midpoint. And we can check that on the graph if we go over 1 or over to the right 1 and up 3. We get approximately the center of that graph at 1, 3. Make sure if you have questions to ask like normal.